Hey guys, I am Kriti from Team Vanarshala. You're back to Vanarshala tutorials because you want to learn something new today. आज हम आपको सिखाएंगे 5 तरह के dismounts. So when you climb a wall, you must come down. Whatever goes up should come down. And we are going to teach you 5 ways to do that interestingly. Let's get going. The first one is reverse bounce. So, एक बात मैं आपको पहले ही बताना चाहती हूँ कि ये मैंने खुद practitioners को observe कर करके सीखे हैं. So they have names that I have given to them. They might have other names as well. हमें please बताइएगा comments में if they have other names too. The first one is reverse dismount or reverse bounce back. Let's have a look. So first step is to jump up to a wall you're comfortable on, and then stay in the same position. अपना कोई भी एक hand जिसकी साइड से आप twist करने को comfortable है, उसको रखिए same obstacle पे and just give yourself a spin with your shoulders and chest like this. And you'll find that you're back in the direction you came from. अब इसको थोड़ा सा fast देखते हैं. Notice that when I do it, I try to keep my knees close to my chest. Otherwise, I would land too soon. So don't do it like this. Do it like this. Dismount number 2 is Kong back. So आप किसी obstacle पे jump करेंगे and you will Kong back out of it. It's very simple. It's like this. Hands on the obstacle and push your hip up and back and land on your ball of feet. So in fast motion, it looks like this. And you're off the obstacle. Dismount number 3 is called Kong twist. So we are going to do the same Kong, but you have to get enough height and momentum in air to actually end up facing that side instead of this side like you did for the first Kong. I'll show you how that's done. So we're going to jump up on our obstacle, and instead of Konging out facing the same side, we're going to twist mid-air like this. So आप जब push लेंगे, आपको अपने knees से twist करना है so that you end up facing that side, and you can continue your parkour flow line movements in that direction now, opposite direction. So let's see it again. Dismount number 4. And I think this is one of the most technical dismounts. So इसके लिए आपको थोड़ा सा groundwork भी करना होगा. Let me show you what it looks like. It's kind of like spinning out of the same obstacle by taking your weight on one hand. It looks like this. So weight on one hand, but notice my grip. The hands are not like this anymore, like they were for the Kong dismounts, but they are like this, fingers facing down. You grip the obstacle and you have to lift your body in the air and spin out of this edge of the same obstacle like this. Now how do we progress into this? सबसे पहले हमको यही movement ground पे किसी edge पे practice करनी होगी. So as simple as this, you might find that you're standing on an edge on the ground. Just take any line and try to keep your fingers facing back like you would on the obstacle and spin out of it, out of the edge like this. When you can do that, it means कि आप किसी भी छोटी height के wall पर भी इसको आप try कर सकते हैं. Now, what if we are not able to do it? Then there is a progression. You have to step out of it like this. Hand back, and in the air you're going to step with the outside leg. So if the circle is going like this, this is my outside leg. I'm going to step out of it. And slowly, my body will learn how to lift up in the air and spin out completely. Like this, you can do the same thing on the obstacle as well. So पहले अपने obstacle पे jump कीजिए and try to dismount it by hitting it with one leg, outside leg. Slowly you will find कि आपकी speed, coordination, height बढ़ गई है and you can do it smoothly like this. And that's dismount number 4. Dismount number 5 is reverse safety out of your mount. You can also call it pivot safety. And I think ये आपके style flow के लिए बहुत cool movement है. This is how it is. अब इसको सीखते हैं. Jump up on your obstacle. Now put any one hand on the obstacle and not at the edge. Use that hand to pivot your body. And अब आपको दूसरे hand पे weight लेना है और जो आपका आउटसाइड लेग है उसको फ्री कर दीजिए. You will find that you're in a safety ward position and you can easily get out of your mount. जब फास्ट करते हैं तो ये ऐसा दिखता है. And it's a cool style move. Now I have good news for all of you. जैसे कि मैंने ये बहुत सारे प्रैक्टिशनर्स को देख देख के सीखा और अपनी मूवमेंट को मैं डिटेल कर पाई हूँ ऐसे छोटे छोटे डिटेल्स से. इसी तरीके से आप लोग भी काफी सारे मूवमेंट प्रैक्टिशनर्स से मिल के मूवमेंट सीख सकते हैं एट वानागिरी 2022. Yes, it's already time for our annual residential workshop. We are turning 2 years old. वो वर्कशॉप यहीं पे होगा. We will learn how to move better and we will also learn कि हम पार्कोर को अपने अराउंड देखते कैसे हैं. So we are going to get your own pair of Vanar eyes. All this and more in the description below. So I hope to see you there. It's on 4th to 6th March because it's residential. You're going to stay 2 nights and we're going to learn all these different kinds of movements together. I'm looking forward to see you there and in the next tutorial. So bye bye and keep practicing, keep moving.